Maintaining a studio apartment doesn't have to break the bank. Here are 5 affordable ways to keep your space fresh and functional without spending a fortune. Tip 1. Maximize storage. Use vertical storage like shelves and hanging organizers to keep things off the floor. This helps declutter your space and make it feel more open. Tip 2. DIY cleaning solutions. Skip the expensive cleaners. Mix vinegar and baking soda to clean surfaces, and use natural remedies to keep your apartment spotless and eco-friendly. Tip 3. Use multifunctional furniture. Invest in pieces that can serve double duty, like a sofa bed or a foldable dining table. This maximizes your space and saves you money. Tip 4. Affordable decor. Transform your apartment with budget-friendly decor like throw pillows, plants, and inexpensive wall art. A few small changes can make a big impact. Tip 5. Regular maintenance. Stay on top of regular cleaning and maintenance to avoid costly repairs. A little effort goes a long way in preserving your space. Maintaining your studio apartment doesn't need to be expensive. Follow these tips to create a cozy, organized space on a budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more affordable living tips.